Starting in iOS 16 and iPad OS 16, you can use live text to interact with text and videos in apps like Safari, Photos, and more.
And don't forget to adjust your camera settings manually. You should lock these settings once you have them where you want them. This will help you avoid any strange flickering, which can happen.
Just pause a video that contains text. Touch and hold a word to highlight it, and drag a corner of the highlight to select additional text. You can also tap the Live Text button to automatically highlight text on the screen. With Live Text, you can copy, share, translate, and even interact with text, like opening a website or making a phone call. We're going to tap Copy, switch to a different app, and paste the copied text. That's all there is to it. And that's how to use live text with videos to get all the details. For more helpful tips, subscribe to the Apple Support YouTube channel.